Hi viewers, welcome to Top Education Point. Hope you are well. To learn more, watch the full video from the front and subscribe my channel. Let's start our lesson. Now we are doing a math. If u is equal 3 to the power x, show that 9 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 1 can be written as u to the power square plus 3u. Okay, let's see. This is our math. So 9 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 1. Now 9, that means 3 multiple 3, that means 3 square. So we can write 3 square, and here is x, plus 3 to the power x plus 1. This x is also power index and this 1 is also power index. So 3 to the power 2x. Here is, as we know, if there is one base and two different power, one base there is two different power, and here is a plus sign, so we can write it in multiple format to distribute the base. So here we can evaluate this index first and this index last. So here is 3 to the power x multiple 3. Let's see. As we know, u is equal 3 to the power x. We can use here u square plus u multiple 3. So u square plus 3u. Short, because our math want to show that. Thank you so much.